CyberBrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
We'll just record at the time. Oh, okay. Well, yeah. So now we'll go back. Oh, if you look at this invoice. Okay, amount. U has become 0 here. The payment status got changed to paid here. Now let's copy this invoice and we'll see more examples. So when will it turn to without, from under positive to default? When will it change? We'll show you that. Don't wait. Okay, we'll see that example too. We'll get a deposit and then we'll see the accounting of. So let's get Summit. Let's make change amount here to something as 300. We'll create at least 5, 6 invoices now. So we can see different examples. So let's say customer and in one goal, we'll use a test as a RAMI account to approve all of them. This one would be 400. Next one would be 500. We're creating right now. Yeah, it's creating more. So we can see a lot of examples of payments back there right off and all the things over payments. I'll get one more and then we'll use the send account to proxy. So in View Customer, in version you can create invoices. I'm just copying the noises and changing them on that sort. 6 in the way. Now we'll do proxy. We'll go to Inbox. To approve the noises. Yeah. How did you go to the inbox? What did you do to order inbox? This is an inbox icon on right inside. See, no, I got you, but how did you go to the sandbox? It just came. No, I just proxy right. We must start proxy. No, see, okay, I'm the content. So let's move it. So you can approve only one invoice at a time. You're going to approve a stick. Call an approval. No, we can do multiple of those also. So I'll shoot. So, on this action, if you see we get a bulk of okay, got you, got you. If you see this option here, I got you. So you can psych me to clean voices in one go. Another item also. So for now, let's just approve our invoices. Let's go. So we'll stop, Roxino. Okay, now go to the Find Customer. Or I can show an example from here. You also record the small payment. So earlier we went from the invoice-related actions, then to customer payment. Right here we'll have to manually select the values, for example, PGC. The line is Intel. Mm. In this time, we'll get a deposit also of the payment. Okay, so the movement you click on Create Deposit picks up the account automatically. Deposit reference. So when you go to the bank, right? And you submit your checks for cash. You use a sleep right. To give the email. I want you cash your deposit and all the same. So this is a deposit reference sleep number. Right, so you get your sleep number. Something like this. Total payment amount. So this time we created, like my payment was a $3,400, 500, right, so we'll just say $300, yeah. Check number was something like this. When we said that, when did we select the? Now we have to select the name, was. You can do it at. The latest is also. So if you see a payment like the email. And here you get the option to select multiple invoices. Oh, okay. So 300 is what we are getting. And we have deposited into the bank also. The other example, we saw that we have received the payment and we call it the. Now we're seeing the example that we have received the payment and, as well, we have deposited it to the bank. So this is done. So will be the termination. So fully applied. This is a deposit. Now you see the accounting here. Okay, view general. So it's cash to a address. Earlier it was under deposit receipts, but the deposit is cash to the bank. Right. So that's why cash to pay our pay. Okay. Now we'll go to that invoice. Comping the application.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.